Today we're drawing one of the most iconic Mario characters, but we're going to make him look extra cool with Posca markers. Let's draw Boo. So I went ahead and drew 2 dots. That determines the height of the circle. Curving line out to the left, and now I'm going to go ahead and curve a line out to the right. So as an artist, one thing we're thinking about is composition, so I wanted to make sure I filled up my paper. With this circle, it's going to be the body of Boo. And then we're going to use cross contour lines today. So this circle is now going to become a form because I'm going to use this cross contour lines curving out to the right. So it's turning now, our character to the right. And I'm also going to go ahead and curve a line down so it makes Boo look like it's tilted down. Alright, we're going to go ahead and start adding the eyebrows and the eyes. So I'm going to go ahead and curve these 2 lines down. And you can see I'm using that center line of the face, that line that curves to the right there. The curve on the left should be a little bit larger because it's closer to us. Same thing with this eye, should be a little bit larger and the other one just a little bit smaller. So it really goes back to those elementary days of objects that are close to us are bigger, they get smaller off in the distance, like a tree bigger and up close, smaller off in the distance. And we obviously use that when creating these 3/4 view portraits. So now we're working on the mouth. Curving line down. Curving line out to the right here, and then I'm going to go ahead and curve a line out to the left. All right, we're going to go in and start adding the tongue. So I curved a line out to the right. Once again, curving a line out. And then now I'm going to start curving this line down. So we're going to go add an arm. Once again, this white, making this three-dimensional. We got like a pink one and dark red right now. Well, hey, if you enjoyed this 3D drawing video, check out my other ones on Sketchbook.